Today we are going to make this beautiful little heart. Hi friends, welcome to diycraftysewing channel. To make this heart shape, here I am taken 1-inch satin ribbon which is having the length 22 centimeters. Now as shown here, again cut the ribbon into 2 equal lengths, that is each piece having the length 11 centimeters. Now as shown here, take the 2 ribbons together and fold it into half at the one corner. Give a heat touch up and press it. As shown in the video, give respective folds and cuttings to get the required heart shape. Now beautiful heart shape is ready. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming beautiful videos. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.